In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new playlist on YouTube on your phone. If this video helps you out, please smash subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos just like it. So go ahead and open up the YouTube app, make sure that you're logged in and on the channel that you would like to add a playlist to. Likely you will be on the Home tab. From the Home tab, you're going to want to go down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen where it says Library. Click on Library. From this page, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to where it says Playlists. Underneath Playlists, written in blue, it says New Playlist. Go ahead and click on New Playlist. Here it's going to give you the option to add videos to your playlist. On this list is going to be all the videos that you have recently watched on YouTube. To add a video, just click the box next to it. You can add as many as you like as long as that video is able to be added to another playlist. If you made a mistake and added a video that you do not want on your playlist, just uncheck the box. For today's example, I'm not going to add any videos to my playlist. When you're done, go ahead up to the top right-hand side of the screen and click Next. It's going to ask you to give your new playlist a title. We can call it New Playlist. It's also going to ask you to choose the privacy setting for your playlist. You can choose private, unlisted, or public. I'm going to keep mine private for today's example. When you're all set, click Create. Now you have your playlist. You can go ahead and click on your playlist. You can edit it by clicking the pencil right here. You can give it a new title, description, and of course change the privacy. If you want to back out, you can just add videos to it as you go. To do that, you can just go, for instance, to your history. You can see all of the videos that you've watched. Click on the three dots right on the right-hand side and you can add it to a playlist. Save the playlist, and then it's going to ask you which playlist you'd like to save it to. Just choose the one that we just made or any one that you like and then click Done. When you're all set, you can back out, return to the Home tab, and continue watching YouTube, all set with having just made a playlist on YouTube on your phone. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you out on how to make a playlist on YouTube on your phone. If it did, smash subscribe, hit thumbs up, and have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.